Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Circle to search in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to use a feature which is called Circle to search, so let's see how can you do that. So if you have something on your screen you can't recognize or you want to get some info about, so you just have to keep a long press on this home button. You must see this interface which is called Google Assistant. Now you have to circle the area or the thing you want to search about. So let's say I want to search for this Instagram icon. Just create a circle on it like this and it will be selected on your screen. Now you can get informations about this. You can do the same thing in your any app. For example, if you're in any app, so you can also get any details or you can also use circle to search here. Let's say I'm gonna open my Galaxy Store here. Just keep a long press on this home button and circle the area or thing you want to search about and you will get the internet search results. So in this way you can easily use circle to search in your Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.